So today I'm going to do a little bit of headlight restoration, as you can see here, using VISBELLA. Comes with some rubbing compound, some sanding pads, 800 grit, 1200 grit and 2000 grit. Came with a little bit of masking tape, but I went and bought some more. But the most important thing is that bloody UV liquid protector. That shit there is really important. Also a bucket of water and a cloth. Here's my headlights at the moment. Not too bad, but I'm fussy. Good to see that they're just a little bit hazy, so I want to clean it up mostly in my car. So for the next part, I'm going to be applying the UV protection, and when it tells you to apply the UV protection, it says don't do it in direct sunlight. So you can see I've moved the car under a freaking tree to protect it. So that will be part 2, and then it's done after that. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so I've finished with the headlight restoration. Yeah, it's come out so. Don't know, not really overly impressed with it. I thought it'd be a lot clearer, but it is a DIY job, and you pay for what you get, I guess, at the end of the day. Right, wait 24 hours and to give the car a good clean. Cheers for watching.